June 20, 2025. A mountain trail through beech forest breaks out into an open marsh. Love to see how the beech roots make such a root work web on the forest floor. You can see the sun of summer solstice day has set below westward going ridgeline. It's not real clear in the photo, but right there are towers of tall thunderclouds. The sun has marched, the sunset has marched its furthest to the north for another year. There's the clouds. The sun has marched his furthest to the north for another year. And tomorrow begins to return southward. By dawn's early light, awakening thoughts for celebrating an eco-friendly summer solstice day poem for you. And now, by the day's last light, between sunset and nightfall, YouTube for you. Calling out to the land in a season of light. We call out to the land, we reach out to the land. We reach out to spirit powers present in the land. We call out to the land, reconnecting with the land. Calling out now to our Earth Mother, we call out to the land. Songfully now, ah, 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 oh, 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 hey, ah, oh, 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 ah, hey, oh, hey, oh, hey. We call out to the land, calling out to mountain and valleys, calling out now to wild waters and powers of earth and sky. Oh, songfully now, we call out to the land. Hey, 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 oh, in a spirit of songfulness, a spirit of land protection. Yea, in the sacred name of an eco-greater good, yes, in a spirit of honoring our Earth Mother, we call out to the land. Oh, songfully now, once again. Hey, oh, hey, oh, hey, hey. Call out summer solstice, call out a season of the Spirit. Hey, oh, we call out to the land. We call out to the land. We call out to the land. New House of Revolutions, Summer Solstice Day 2025. Hey,